Jim is responsible for ensuring daily production output and controlling consumable costs at an equipment manufacturing company. But he has a problem with his operators not fully utilizing their abrasives and ending up with rejects due to using a less than optimal technique. Thankfully, Jim has recently developed a relationship with one of the lean solution reps at TA Industrial. TA Industrial offers the full line of 3M high-quality adhesives, tapes, abrasives, and safety products. 3M Abrasives let you cut, grind, and finish more with a world-class abrasive system that helps you work smarter and finish faster. TA helps customers improve productivity and first-time yield by providing these kinds of innovative and industry-leading products, in addition to instruction and training on the optimal use of each product. TA helps customers improve their processes and realize cost saving through work instructions with visuals that are more thorough and accurate. After initially training operators on proper product usage technique, TA provides ongoing audit support to ensure operators are continuing to use optimum technique. By combining long-lasting, high-quality products like 3M Abrasives with a commitment to instruction, training, and ongoing audits, plus 3M and TA have all the safety equipment and PPE you need to do the job right. TA brings the lowest total cost to their customers. Call TA today to arrange an initial meeting or set up a no-cost, no-obligation process review.